Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Daily English Learning with Noor. I'm so happy you're here today.
Hello, Noor. Hello, everyone. It's great to be back. How are you today?
I'm doing great, thank you, Adam. I feel relaxed and happy. How about you?
I'm good too, thanks. You look happy. Did you have a nice weekend?
Yes, I did. It was a really good weekend. What about you?
Same here. My weekend was relaxing. You know, talking about our weekend is something everyone does on Monday.
Exactly. At work, school, or with friends, people often ask, "How was your weekend?" So that's our topic today, weekend routine.
Great idea. It's fun and useful English practice. Okay, Noor, tell us, how was your weekend?
My weekend was wonderful, but also a little busy. On Saturday morning, I cleaned my house.
Ah, cleaning. Not always fun, but it feels great after.
That's true. I played some music while cleaning, so it was more fun. After that, I went shopping with my friend Lena.
Shopping. Nice. Did you go to the mall?
Yes, we went to the mall and looked at clothes and shoes. I bought a new pair of sneakers.
Cool. What color?
White, simple and comfortable. After shopping, we had lunch at a café.
Oh, that sounds lovely. What did you eat?
I had a chicken sandwich and fresh orange juice, and of course, a piece of chocolate cake.
Ha ha! You love chocolate cake.
I do. It was delicious. After that, we just talked and laughed for hours. Then, in the evening, I watched a movie at home.
Nice. What movie did you watch?
I watched a wonderful movie called The Theory of Everything.
Oh, that's a great film. It's about the scientist Stephen Hawking, right?
Exactly. It's based on the true story of his life. I really enjoyed it.
Tell us more about it. What's the movie about?
Well, it tells the story of Stephen Hawking, a brilliant physics student at Cambridge University. When he was young, he was diagnosed with a serious disease that made it hard for him to move and speak.
Yes, that's ALS, right? It's a very difficult illness.
That's right. But even after his diagnosis, he continued studying and doing research. He didn't give up. He became one of the most famous scientists in the world.
That's so inspiring. I remember his theory about black holes in the universe.
Yes, the movie shows how he developed his ideas and how his wife Jane supported him through everything. Their relationship was so touching.
It really was. It shows love, strength, and determination. How did you feel while watching it?
Honestly, I felt emotional. It made me think about how powerful the human mind can be. Even when the body is weak, the mind can do amazing things.
That's a beautiful message. Did you watch it alone or with someone?
I watched it at home on Saturday evening. I made some popcorn and tea. It was my little movie night.
Nice. A cozy weekend night. What about Sunday?
On Sunday, I went for a walk in the morning and then read a little about Stephen Hawking's real life. I wanted to learn more about his work in science.
Wow, that's great. You turned your movie into a learning experience.
Yes, exactly. It's a good way to practice English, too. Watching movies with English subtitles helps a lot.
That's a great tip for our listeners. So, would you recommend The Theory of Everything to them?
Absolutely. It's emotional, interesting, and full of life lessons. Plus, the English is clear and not too fast, so it's good for learners.
Perfect. I think I'll watch it again this weekend.
You should. And for everyone listening, what about you? What movie did you watch recently? Tell us in the comments.
Yes, we'd love to know your favorite movies. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this episode with your friends. That sounds like a full and fun Saturday. My Saturday was much quieter. I stayed home most of the day.
Oh, a quiet weekend. What did you do?
In the morning, I slept late. Then I made a big breakfast, eggs, toast, and coffee.
Sounds good. A slow morning is the best part of the weekend.
Totally agree. In the afternoon, I went to the park and read a book. The weather was sunny and warm.
That sounds perfect. What book were you reading?
It's a book about travel stories. Very interesting. After that, I listened to music and cooked dinner.
You cooked? What did you make?
Simple pasta, but it was delicious. Then I watched a short TV show before bed.
Nice and relaxing. What about your Sunday, Adam?
Sunday was also calm. In the morning, I went for a walk around my neighborhood. It was quiet and peaceful.
I love morning walks. So refreshing.
Yes, after that, I visited my parents. We had lunch together. My mom made rice and chicken.
Yum! That sounds lovely. Spending time with family is always special.
It is. In the evening, I just relaxed and got ready for the new week.
A perfect Sunday. My Sunday was a mix, a little busy and a little relaxing. In the morning, I went to the farmer's market.
Oh, I love that. Lots of fresh food there, right?
Yes, I bought apples, tomatoes, and fresh bread. Then I went home and cooked lunch, vegetable soup, and a fruit salad.
Wow, that sounds healthy and delicious.
Thank you. After lunch, I listened to a podcast and called my sister. We talked for almost an hour.
That's nice. Talking to family makes weekends special.
Exactly. Then I read a book before going to sleep early. So my Sunday was calm, just like yours.
It's interesting. Your weekend was busy on Saturday and calm on Sunday. And mine was calm both days.
Yes, but that's what's great about weekends. Sometimes we rest, sometimes we go out and have fun.
That's true. Everyone needs both kinds of weekends, relaxing and active ones.
Exactly. So for everyone listening, this is a great topic to practice in English. You can say things like, I went to the park, I cooked dinner, I watched a movie, I was happy.
Yes, simple sentences like I went, I saw, I did, I was. Perfect for everyday conversation. And don't forget to say how you felt. I was tired, I was relaxed, I was excited.
Very good. Now it's your turn. Tell us in the comments. What did you do last weekend?
Did you stay home? Visit your family? Go shopping? Write it below. We love reading your comments.
And if you liked this episode, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with your friends.
Yes, thank you all for learning with us today. Have a wonderful week.
See you in the next episode. Bye, everyone.
Bye-bye.